Hello guys, in this video tutorial I would like to explain that how we can construct a pie chart theoretically, and then I will explain that how you can do that pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's suppose I have a data sets and see that. Okay, this is the data sets. This is the Ohio State Lottery expenses in 2002. Use of sales, prizes. For prizes they have this amount of money in million United States dollar. Payment to education, this portion. Bonus and commissions, this millions in United States dollars. Operating expenses and this is the total. So what we need to do to construct a pie chart, in fact we need to do to calculate the percent part of each portion. Calculate, but before that we need to mark the circle. Suppose, yes, pie chart, you can see that pie chart is just like look like this. So we need to construct a circle and then number each point like this. Suppose I will just draw a rough circle. So this is just a rough circle, it's not circle. This is suppose 0. Then you need to point mark each place this by 5. Suppose 0, 10, and suppose this is 25. This place is 25th. This is suppose 50th. This is 75, and this is of course just this is 100%. Okay, so you have drawn the circle and then you need to mark this by the difference of pipe different. So you can mark as 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on until 100. Now, and remember that with the pi normally we express nominal data for this using pie chart, and you calculate the percent portion and then draw in the pie chart. So in the next step we need to calculate the percent of each portion. The percent of each portion, and that is simple. You can do that by I mean that suppose P1 is portion 1. Suppose P1 is portion 1 divided by P total multiply by 100. So you can get this for percent for the proportion 1, and similarly you can do percent for the proportion 2, percent for the proportion 3, and so on. And then you need to draw each line. Suppose I will say, as I have this data, so the percent proportion of the prizes in the Ohio State's lottery is 57%. The second one for the payment to education is 32%, and bonus commission is 6%, and operating expenses, that is 5%. A total of course make 100%. Now we need to draw this line at the 57th position on the circle, and then you 32 plus 57. 32 plus 57, this make 89. So let's draw this on the circle. So 57 position can be somewhere here. Suppose this is here. Now you need to draw a line that is center, and you need to draw a line from 0, and now you need to draw a line to the 57. So this means that this portion is for the prizes in the Ohio State lottery. You can see that this is 57, but and now because we are accumulating this portion. So this is 57%, 57% for prices. Now I need to add 32 because I'm accumulating this. So this is 57% plus 32, this make 89, and it should be somewhere here. It should suppose 90, suppose here, suppose. So it should be here somewhere. Draw a line to this, and this is now the portion for this part is for payment to education, 32%. Now you can separate the total as 89%, but this portion is 32%. So 57% for prices, 32% for education, payment to education, and then 6% is for bonus commission, and operating expenses has 5%. So you can draw this now. You can draw this that 6% until 95. This portion is for bonus commission, and the remaining 5% is for operating expenses. In this way you can make a pie chart. So this is the theoretical procedure. You need to make a circle, then label the circle with different numbers 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on until 100. Then you need to calculate the percent part of each portion like I did, and then you need to draw that percent. Like in this example there is 57, 32, 6 and 5. So I need to draw the first one as you need to draw a line from 0 to this center. So this is marked from 0 to the center. Then you need to draw this line to 57. So this is the first portion which is for prices, and then you need to add 32 to this 57% because I am accumulating this. So add 32 plus 57, that make 89. So 89 until here. So 32 is for payment to education, and then there is 6 for commission bonus. So you can add that, add 6 plus 89, 95. So until 99, until 95, 6% is for, this is for bonus commission, and the last one 5%, this portion is for operating expenses. So this theoretical process, that how we can make a pie chart. Now I will tell you that how we can do this in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so I will delete this and I will explain that how we can do this with this data. So this is the same data that I just wrote this data from that file, from this example, and you can see that how we can calculate this portion. So this means that this one multiply by 100 and divide by total. This is total. So in this way you can calculate the percent of each portion. Now you can draw a pie chart for this. Go to insert, and this is the option for pie chart. You can draw a pie chart, this one. So you can see that there are 1, 2, 3 number for this. You can change these numbers. Just click right, select data, then you can select data, okay, let's do it again, insert pie chart. Now we can do this, select data. So I need to change this data, edit, and now I can choose these names. You can see that I got these names now. So each portion you can make this little bigger just by clicking on the font size. Okay, now I think it's look better. We can change font style as well. Let's do this. Normally we write this in Time series and Time News Roman. Okay, so just click on D and then let's see. Okay, and you can change the color to black. Okay, so this is now the pie chart for this. You can add number to this. You can add number, data label. Yes, you can add data label. So this now here you can change this. You don't need some time, but the results presented are in percentage. Okay, this is just an it's not important, however you can mention this. You can make the font size of these bigger as well as you would like. It should be more prominent. Okay, here you can see that it is the same plot as I made manually. So you need to learn this manually, but you can do this in any software. Maybe you can do in R, Python and other software, but in Microsoft Excel you can do this very easily. So the same graph, this 57% is going to prizes in the Ohio State Lottery, 32% is going to payment to education, 6% is going to business commission, and 5% is going to operating expenses. So you can do this, you can repeat and you can make your data, visualize your data by using pie chart. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Ciao.